Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Avalanche for Validator performance news, detailed guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Validators section to access information related to Avalanche validators. Scroll down to find the latest updates and resources for validators. Look for the subscription option specifically for performance news. You may find this option in a sidebar, footer, or a dedicated section of the Validators page. This may direct you to a subscription form where you need to enter your details. Fill in your name and email address in the required fields. Be sure to check for any additional preferences regarding the frequency of updates. Once you've completed the form, review the information for accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Submit button. You might receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Avalanche. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your subscription. After verification, you should start receiving updates on Validator performance news directly to your inbox. Keep an eye on your email for regular updates and insights provided by Avalanche. This will help you stay informed about the performance metrics and other crucial information related to validators. Enjoy being part of the Avalanche community and enhancing your validator experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.